news that we're tracking as far as the Worli hit and run case is concerned. Accused Mihir Shah confesses to crime is what we're given to understand. In fact, let's tell you, Mihir Shah accepts he was in fact driving the car. So that is the big input. In fact, the confession was made during questioning by cops is what we're given to understand. So clearly a big lead in this particular case as far as the accused Mihir Shah, who has now accepted that he was indeed driving the car. Cops questioned him based on the calls he had made to several people after the accident. Let me take that across to my colleague Shrishti. Shrishti, very good morning. Clearly, big breakthrough as far as this case is concerned. Tell us more.
Well, of course, the main accused in this entire case, Mihir Shah, has accepted his crime. What he has mentioned is that he was behind the wheels, and this information is coming from the top sources of police. This particular person, Mihir Shah, on Sunday morning, he was driving that particular car. He dragged Kaveri for almost 2 kilometers. Mercilessly, he kept on driving that particular BMW car. When he understood the gravity of the entire incident, he tried to switch his seat with driver. And then they wanted to leave from that location. They managed to leave. They went towards Kalanagar. There their car broke down, and that's how they were stopped. Later, Rajesh Shah, who is a Shinde Sena leader, father of the main accused, reaches over there, tries to tow the car. However, police team reaches there. But in the meanwhile time, this particular accused leaves from that location, goes to Goregaon to meet his girlfriend, makes few calls, then gets absconding with his mother, 2 sisters and 2 of his friends. The family of victim was in sorrow, is still in sorrow. They are unable to cope up with the loss which they have faced. But for last 2 days, this particular victim was at a resort in Shahpur, is what we are coming to know. Later, on Monday, he left from Shahpur towards Virar with his friend. And his friend switched his phone on for just 15 minutes, and that's how police was able to trace him down. And after that, he was arrested. But importantly, the police has taken lot of statements from the bar managers and the waiters over there. What comes across is that a crucial information that they have informed the police that he consumed alcohol there at Juhu Bar, and that is a particular whiskey Jack Daniel. So there are certain loops in this, entire case, that why he was not nabbed earlier, why it took so much time for Worli police to nab him down. For almost 60 hours the hunt was on. 10 teams of crime branch as well as Worli police was there. Why it took them so long? If he would have been caught earlier, then in his blood samples there would have been alcohol traces, and that is a crucial information. The entire opposition is taking up this issue, and they are mentioning that the government, the state government, is trying to shield this particular accused Mihir Shah, who is the son of Shinde Sena leader Rajesh Shah. However, crucial information is also coming up, wherein now police has mentioned that other people who were detained in this entire case, that means his mother, his sister and few of his friends, now they have been set free, but they will be called for questioning if required. Today, Mihir will be produced in court. We have to see what points are being put up by the defense of Mihir Shah and how this case will go ahead. Now, if we talk about the culpable homicide section which has been invoked against him, which amounts to culpable homicide not amounting to murder, the other politicians of opposition party are saying this is not just culpable homicide, this is a murder, as he kept on driving this car even though he had an idea that Kaveri was on the bonnet. Later she was stuck between 2 wheels, still he kept on driving, and this is a murder, and relevant sections of murder should be invoked against Mihir Shah, is what the entire opposition is saying. But importantly, the entire family, who is a family of a humble background, they are going through a loss which won't be recovered with any kind of compensation, any kind of, even though justice is served, their loss is still there. Though they won't be able to heal, as they have lost their mother, they have lost their husband, I beg your pardon, they have lost their wife, and this is is a shocking case which has came to fore from Worli. But yes, of course, today Mihir will be taken to court, and we have to see how defense puts their case across.
Right, Shashi, I'd have to interject you there, but absolutely right with the fact that what is going to pan out next, and more importantly, how this is a big breakthrough in the case. But let's also tell our viewers that what we're given to understand is that the cops believe the drink and drive charge doesn't hold much significant. Reason being, it will make the case weak. What we're also given to understand is that the cops want to show that Mihir was in his senses, and despite that he fled from the accident spot in an attempt to flee, the women got entangled in the wheel. So under the influence of alcohol means he wasn't in his senses then. So how would that be really navigated? We'll have to wait and watch. But for the moment, let's leave it at that.